In this video, we're going to be looking at the third-party App Store for Windows. So join me, Mark, a network engineer with 26 years experience working in IT, and let's get started. So first off, I think we need to answer the question, is it safe to use the Microsoft Store? So I looked into that and found this article here. So the question is, how safe is it to download apps from the Windows Store? So you can see the agent's response here from Microsoft. All applications in the Windows Store are certified by Microsoft before they are made available. After the developer submits the app, it undergoes several tests where the app package are checked for viruses and malware. So I think that's confirmation there that there are checks in place. So let's minimize that. And first, what we need to do is actually open the Microsoft Store. So we can do that by typing Microsoft here and type Store. And you can see it comes up here. So we can click onto that one and we'll access the store. Okay, so pretty standard. You've got a search bar at the top here. You've got apps you can go into and search a gaming arcade. So if we go back to home and first start off by looking for something like, I'm thinking Netflix sounds good. This is a popular download, so let's look for that. Okay, so now we can see we've got Netflix here. We've got the option to get. So if we click that, and you give that a few seconds once it prepares to download. Okay, that's download kicked off there. Okay, so that's downloaded and stored. You can see it's coming up down in the message there, but you can now click open. And now we're at the screen where we can sign in. So that's Netflix covered off. Spotify. Okay, and then again we can just click get to that one. Okay, so that's downloading now. Okay, and again we can just click open to that one. And there we are. We launched the app and we're ready to log in. So what we can do now is if we just minimize that down. So if we come into the Windows menu here, and we can see we've got Spotify. So what we can do is we can actually right click on that one. We can put it pin it to the taskbar. So it'll appear nicely down here. Search it as well. So we go into the search bar, just literally type Spotify. You're going to see the app here as well, so you can launch it from there. So there's the two ways that you can actually find the app once you've installed it. And let's do the same for Netflix. So let's type Netflix there. You can see it there as well. And if we go back into the start menu, we can actually search it from here as well. So let's type Netflix here, and there we go. You can then open that and run that. Okay, so let's head back into Microsoft Store. So I'll just go from the pinned option here. We can go into apps and look for just something else. I just want to show you, you've got Office 365. Just pretty much, I'd say 99% of apps you're going to find in here. There's going to be some that are not, and one of those that I thought was quite interesting that is not is Microsoft Authenticator. So if you're looking for that one, don't worry, I researched this one beforehand, and you can get it. I'll put the link in the description below. So this is from Microsoft.com. We want to ensure that we're not downloading apps just from anywhere. This is actually from Microsoft.com. You can download the app here, and you can also get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store as well. So I'm not sure quite why that's not on the Microsoft Store, but you can get it using this link if you need to. If you want to get the Google Play Store on Windows and be able to use that from your desktop, then you want to check out this video. I'll pop a link in the description and one at the top right of the screen for you now. So I suppose the next way to ask is, how do you update the store if you're having issues accessing it and things like that? I would suggest, if you're having issues with accessing the Windows Store, is to go to Windows Updates and ensure that you're running the latest version. So you can type Windows Updates into the search here, check for updates. And you can see actually I've got an update pending here. So I would just and click install on that one. That's actually 23H2 cumulative update there. So as an example, if I was having issues, I've just been ensuring that Windows is fully up to date first. So if you're enjoying the video, if you could give it a subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. And let's talk about gaming. So again, let's head back to the Microsoft Store. So if we type Xbox app here, and you can see you've got the Xbox app here. I've actually got it installed. This is going to give you access to all the Xbox games, and you can obviously purchase the pass if you want to, and all that kind of good stuff. So the other one would be for the games out there is Steam. And as you can see, unfortunately, that isn't in the Microsoft Store. That is a separate product you're going to need to download. But you can, again, we can go to Microsoft here and type Steam, and you just need to download it from Steam site directly here. Again, I'll pop a link in the description here, but that's going to give you access to all of those games and such like. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Microsoft Store, and we'll see you in the next video.